Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. If you have been following the market, you are aware that the price of SHIB has been unchanged for a few days. However, it appears as though things are starting to improve. Both current Shiba Inu owners and token enthusiasts are excited about this. It is therefore worthwhile to watch this film through to the conclusion if you fall into either of those groups to gain a better knowledge of the trend of SHIB's pricing heading right into Shiba Inu has Ethereum whales going completely nuts. SHIB's price has been quite stable, neither pumping nor dumping, as I previously said. Yet, this has had no impact at all on whale activity. In fact, it appears that they have been using this time to gather as many SHIB tokens as they can. The fact that many of the transactions have been taking place on the Shibarium testnet makes the situation even more intriguing. 2 SHIB whales bought enormous quantities of SHIB tokens in little under an hour. Each of them purchased around 6.7 billion SHIB tokens, with one purchasing 10.8 billion. Also, each of those purchases was made in a single transaction. Hence, more than $600 million worth of SHIB is currently held by the top 100 Ethereum whales, accounting for close to 12% of their total holdings. It's probably safe to assume that these whales are huge fans of SHIB, but why? There are a number of potential causes for this, but if you want to see the news that caused the huge accumulation, make sure to watch all the way through. The potential of an Ethereum SHIB-bearing bridge must be one of the factors influencing Ethereum whales' belief in SHIB. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is intended to be improved by this bridge, which will provide users with simple and safe cross-chain transactions. By using this bridge, users would be able to transfer tokens between other networks with no risk and no effect on liquidity. The bridge is designed to be quick, affordable, and multifunctional in addition to serving as a scaling solution. The bridge prioritizes speed and decentralization by merging Plasma and Proof-of-Stake platforms in a dual consensus architecture, enabling arbitrary state transitions on side chains with support for Ethereum virtual machines. Another potential attraction for whales in the Shiba Inu Metaverse. The Metaverse has undergone modifications that portend significant changes for the ecosystem. All official updates and conversations regarding the Metaverse will now be issued via a dedicated Twitter account for the platform. It was also disclosed that a variety of new tools that would significantly improve the Metaverse are now being developed. The Metaverse has not yet officially debuted, but given all these upgrades, it appears that it will do so shortly. Whales must be aware of this. But the Metaverse is much larger than what I just described. Hollywood has begun to take an interest in the Metaverse because to the dev team's extensive work on it. Marcy Jastrow, the Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor, made a comment to that effect, so we know this. Here is what she wrote on Twitter after attending the just finished National Association of Broadcasters, or simply NAB. A new NAB has ended. The last few days of panels and interviews have been fantastic. SHIB. Hollywood is buzzing about the Metaverse, and Shibarium can power it all. This SHIB army is here. Tens of thousands of people from all around the world attend the NAB show, a highly anticipated event in the broadcasting sector. So, the fact that the Shiba Inu Metaverse idea was discussed at the event by Hollywood insiders shows a high degree of interest. This demonstrates how important the project is, and what effect it might have on the entertainment sector. The extraordinary rise of SHIB burns, though, is another factor that might have generated curiosity. The Shiba Inu community was able to burn enough tokens in a single day to increase burn rates by 3,500%. This resulted from a staggering 8 million token burn, which the community had not been able to accomplish in some time. What do you think, then? Might these several circumstances be the real reason for whales' recent interest in SHIB? Please post your comments in the space provided below. But none of those changes have had as great of an impact as this one. If you've spent any time in the Shiba Inu community or the cryptocurrency market, you probably have a few news sites that you usually visit to obtain the latest updates on the market. Hopefully one of them is this channel. But up until lately, you hardly ever heard about SHIB on the major news networks. SHIB was recently mentioned on CNBC, a widely watched American news station. Yet, it didn't only refer to SHIB. It actually involved determining whether or not the token is a respectable Dogecoin rival. SHIB is unquestionably a worthy rival, the news station concluded, even though it might take SHIB more than a year to surpass Dogecoin. SHIB's Metaverse, which is anticipated to launch by the end of 2023, and a number of games, such as Shiba Eternity, Shiba Run, and Shiba March, all add to the project's growth potential, according to CNBC's discussion of SHIB. Each of these initiatives offers a different use case in comparison to Dogecoin. You would probably agree with me that receiving this kind of affirmation from a news outlet like CNBC is fantastic, but this feature for SHIB is about more than just the nice feedback. But before we do that, there is a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB on this channel. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below. Shiba Inu hashtag. Good fortune. SHIB appears to be on the verge of becoming widely accepted based on the mainstream media's favorable recognition of it. As I indicated earlier, the idea has gained popularity in Hollywood and is currently the subject of media analysis. SHIB appears to be beginning to establish a reputation for itself. With initiatives like the Metaverse, the game, and the food and fashion collaborations, it is clear that mainstream adoption has always been the dev team's goal outside of just strictly crypto circles. Considering that SHIB may soon be adopted by the general public, it makes sense why the big Ethereum whales have been hoarding the token. SHIB's price would increase dramatically with widespread mainstream adoption, which would be extremely advantageous for investors already active in the market. It's likely that whales are aware of this and have chosen to establish themselves. Having stated that, this is not investment advice. Before making any financial decisions, be sure to conduct your own research. Moreover, if you thought this was particularly helpful, kindly leave a comment and let your friends know about the video. With the YouTube algorithm, it truly helps, which enables me to keep raising the caliber of the videos. SHIB's use cases may soon be growing, according to other news. Fund the US. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, may be buying a bankrupt broker and all of its digital assets. The wrecked Voyager said that it had resolved a matter with the US government that may enable this. Furthermore, this worries Shiba Inu because Voyager has a sizable amount of SHIB tokens. On the one hand, it would be excellent for Finance US to even improve its position in the market if this transaction did take place, particularly in light of the fact that it would be purchasing all of Voyager's digital assets. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, might feel a little relieved. As you may remember, Voyager has been liquidating some of its assets, including SHIB, most likely in an effort to avoid filing for bankruptcy. As a result, the company's acquisition by Finance US may put an end to the widespread sale of SHIB tokens, which would undoubtedly boost the value of SHIB. Don't you think so? Do you think Shiba Inu should burn over 100 trillion tokens annually? We all understand that Shibarium will burn SHIB tokens when it launches. The number of tokens it will burn every day, every month, or every year is something we are unsure of. The Shiba Inu community would likely work hard to make that happen and surely hopes that it would be a lot, but it's impossible to say for sure. It hasn't stopped some from hoping